Hi everyone, Caramia's Corner is doing a couple of giveaways and challenges. I'm gonna link her channel down below, and I decided to do her anniversary challenge. You could do a memory dex card or an ATC, and I'm already doing a swap where I had a Halloween index card, so I figured this time I'd do something different, and I would do fall and do an ATC. So this is what I ended up doing. I had cardstock from Gina K that I put in the background. I distressed it. I distressed it on the back too, and I'll just put my information on the back. And I just got all of the ephemera pieces from the Autumn Splendor kit, and I just kind of put them together here, and I threw some Winka Stella on it, and I think I'll just call it a day just like this, and I think it came cute. So I'm going to package this up and send it to Caramia. This was a fun little thing to do. I like to get, and I'm going to get more involved in these things and these challenges on YouTube. It's a lot of fun. You meet a lot of different people. You see everybody's crafting styles. I can't even tell you my crafting style. I don't specifically have a style. I just do. I couldn't even tell you the style I have. I like a lot of things. I'm not just stuck on one thing, so I don't even know myself. But I just wanted to share this little ATC card with you, and I will link all her information below if you'd like to participate. You can go over, see what she has. There's a few few different ones she has going on, so you can see which one you'd like to do if you're interested, and you can subscribe to her and all that great stuff. So that's just what I wanted to show you for today. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Happy crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.